Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
Understanding different forms of payment. Like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. A dowry, meaning, refers to the money, goods, or estate that a bride's family gives to the groom or his family at the time of marriage. Example: part of her dowry included a beautiful piece of land that her father gifted to her husband. Offering, meanings depending on the context. Religious offering is a gift of money or goods given to a place of worship or charity. Example: during the Sunday service, the congregation gave their offerings to support the church's community outreach programs. General use mean presenting something for consideration or sale, such as a product or service. Example: the tech company is excited about its latest offering, a new smartphone. Fee, meaning, an amount of money paid for a specific service or privilege. Service fees, payments made for professional services, such as legal advice, medical consultations, or financial planning. Usage fees, charges for using a facility or service, like gym memberships, software subscriptions, or toll roads. Administrative fees, costs for processing paperwork or administrative tasks, such as application fees for colleges. Alimony, meaning, refers to the financial support that one spouse is required to pay to the other after a separation or divorce. Examples: after the divorce, he was required to pay alimony to support his ex-wife. The court determined the amount of alimony she would receive each month. Fines, meaning, it is money you pay as a penalty for breaking a law or rule. Legal penalty, often used as a form of punishment for minor offenses, such as traffic violations or more serious crimes. Court-ordered, typically, ordered by a court or other legal authority. Ransom, meaning, a sum of money that is demanded or paid for the release of someone who has been captured or kidnapped. Example: the kidnappers demanded a ransom of $1 million for the safe return of the businessman's daughter. Allowance, meaning, a specific amount of money given to someone, usually on a regular basis, to cover certain expenses. Example: each of their children gets a weekly allowance of $5. Pension, meaning, a regular payment made to a person, typically after they retire from work. Example: after 30 years of service, she retired and started receiving her pension. Tax, meaning, mandatory contributions imposed by a government on individuals and businesses. Examples: noun, the government decided to increase the income tax this year. Verb, the new policy will tax luxury goods at a higher rate. Loan, meaning, a sum of money that you borrow from a bank or a credit union, or from an individual. Examples: she took out a loan to buy her dream car. He gave a loan to his friend to help with a business startup. Salary, meaning, a fixed amount of money that an employee receives from their employer. Examples: the software engineer's salary includes bonuses for completing projects ahead of schedule. The teacher receives her salary at the end of each month for her hard work in the classroom. Tip, meaning, a small sum of money given to someone as a reward for their service in addition to the basic cost. The waiter received a generous tip for his service during dinner. She left a tip for the hairdresser after getting a fantastic haircut. The taxi driver was grateful for the generous tip from passengers. Debt, meaning, an amount of money that one party owes to another. Examples: she borrowed money from the bank and now has debt. They paid off their debt and are now free from it. Wages, meaning, payments made by an employer to an employee for work performed, calculated on an hourly basis. Examples: factory workers receive their wages every Friday for their week of labor. The chef's wages reflect his skills and experience in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on bell notifications.